channel, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So a few weeks ago, it was one of my good friend's birthday and I wanted to do something special for her. So I put together a little picnic for a few of our friends to get together and just have a little small brunch together. We were about 5 girls. So let me take you along and show you how I set up for the picnic and show you the food we had, the snacks we had, and how much fun my friends and I had that day. It was a pretty windy day, so bear with us. We had to make sure that we got out of there early enough because it was gonna storm that day, so we didn't stay too long, but we had a good time. Let's get started. So the plan is to set up between these 2 trees right here. So I have this, everything is on this table and we're gonna go ahead and start. I think, so there's water in the background. It's actually supposed to be raining today and we're trying to get this done before the rain comes down. We're gonna start at 12 because the rain is gonna start around 3 or 4 o'clock. We wanna be done by then. So yeah, so as you can see, we have the water in the background, so the kids are gonna be making noise there. So don't mind them. I have this idea. I hope it comes out the way I'm thinking. Let me give you a tour of what I have here. So this is what I have for this setup. So I have here obviously the water. I have some food that I grabbed from Cup Foods and some cleaning and snacks here. I got some of the chips and salad. Then obviously some drinks there, and then that's for the setup. And then I have here, I don't have a cooler, so I did put ice in that, and then I also put some ice in this bag, which can keep it well. And all the pillows are here, and then we have all the boards and all the decor right here. So the plan, so what I'm gonna start by doing is actually hanging like a drip here. I hope we can make it. I'm not sure if the drip is gonna make it, but bear with me. There's no specific theme of what I'm going for. I'm just going with the flow. So I got these, let me measure. I think it's gonna fit, but I'm not sure.
Got it!
It might fit, it might not fit. These are actually drapes. But they have, I thought it was 3 drapes, but apparently they have 2 small drapes. I'm just gonna try. What kind of shape is this? I'm just gonna make it work. So I have some of these pins that I'm thinking I'm gonna use for that. These kids, they just turn on the water and they left. And hopefully it doesn't get too windy because fall is just around the corner, so it's starting to, we're having a lot of like thunderstorms and windy weather, but it's actually icky today. It's hot and humid today. I'm so glad I chose this area because for a second I wanted to switch, but I think this is going to be better for the heat, or the sun I should say. I think I switched my mind. I'm going to change this. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to set up that, and I'm going to wrap this around the tree because it's not looking good. It's not looking good at all. So we're going back. I'm going to start with this. I'm going to put this piece. Together. I got these from the dollar store, and then I already had these at home, this gold forks and spoon. All I'm doing is, so this comes with the chalk, so all I'm doing is I'm just writing the person's name. All I have to do is just put this together, tie it up to there you go. You have all the silverware. I also got this from the dollar store yesterday, and I was like, I can just write my happy birthday on it. Smudged it up with that. Fix that. I have this napkin holder that I have painted, spray painted, because I got this from like Goodwill. Spray painted it. Let's put this together. If you've watched one of my Amazon haul, I have a feeling I have showed that there. If not, if you watched my Valentine's Day dinner, I do have these in that video. So I'm using this board. If you've watched my Home Goods haul, I had this board there. Small tour before I put the food. So I'm planning to put some stuff in there. I'm not sure what yet. Maybe some like leftover stuff. So here you have the name, and then you have a rock there just to hold it so it doesn't fly away. So that's what it looks like at this moment. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not turning on the lights yet, the fairy lights, because obviously no one is here yet. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to put the food and show you the final look. It's like that salad is not gonna be enough. Yeah, chicken's good. It's just the sauce. I just bought it like that. I didn't make it. Yeah, I just bought it like that.
I will take your time, man. Right.
I want it to be like this.
Wait a minute.
NECA, the pretty
episode? I said second or third.
It's actually really well done. I thought it was gonna be like those scary African movies. It's so well done.
Which one?
NECA, the Prettiest Serpent.
Where is it?
On Netflix.
Oh, really?
It's so well done. Like
It's at Nigerian?
yeah. Like this girl, they kill her parents, so she gets these powers, and she's like on the revenge to kill the people who killed her parents. It's like and then it like
And it's not like those.
no.
Those
That's
Nigerian
what I
movies.
That's what I thought it was. It's really well done.
Nigerians have passed all Africans when it comes to action and movies.
No, but this one it's not even that like weird, scary looking.
You know what I'm saying? That they're so good than every other country in Africa now.
Yeah. South Africa is
They're okay.
they do good,
And
too,
Ghana too.
but they're not like as. I feel like you don't see them everywhere the way you see them.
Yeah, Nigerians are good. They know what they're doing.
Yeah, it's good. I recommend it.
NECA, the prettiest serpent.
I just want to go watch Kings of Boys too. I've been waiting for that since last weekend.
They need to bring out that other one with Sharon Oja. Oloture or whatever.
Oh, okay.
Part two.
No, not two.
Yeah,
I
part
think
two.
it's already on
They
there.
need to bring part 2 back.
Oh,
the way
part
it
two,
ended.
yeah.
Way it
Well.
ended. What series are you guys watching on Netflix? Sometimes I don't. You don't watch Netflix? Oh, everything. I don't know. Sometimes I look for. I don't like series like that. I rather watch movies. Yeah. Did you watch Manifest?
I think I watched that.
Was it good? They added season 3.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
I just wanted to see.
You president, you're not even gonna go in there?
Oh, that's what it is.